Hi, my name is Sandy and I'm with the Maids Home Services, and I wanted to talk to you about how to remove stains from your bathtub. In this particular tub we have soap scum stains and we have mildew stains in the corner. What I would do first is go on ahead and treat the mildew. Make sure that the surface is dry. You can use that with a bleach cleaner. Spray it directly on the area. And while you're cleaning that, you'll get, you've got soap scum here on the walls, and you'll take a blue, I like the blue ones. You'll see white ones too in the grocery store, but this is a blue Scotch pad. And you can use this to start working on the area in the tub. Because this is soap scum, it's going to scrape off. You start going, while you're pre-treating your mildew, you're scrubbing the soap scum off the walls of the tub. You may have to change the direction of your cleaning strokes to make sure that you're getting all of the area clean, and it even helps to clean the area faster. After we've done that, we're going to take the grout brush. If you don't have a grout brush, you can use a toothbrush, an old toothbrush that is, and work on the areas that we pre-treated in the corners. I like to go ahead and wet my scrubber at this point that the soap scum is off, and just give everything a good rinse. And then a cotton cloth to give everything, just to wipe off the area and clean it up. And that's how you'll clean stains off of your bathtub.